Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up email to case in Salesforce and turn emails into support cases. Setting up email to case in Salesforce can be a game changer for your customer support operations. Imagine a world where all your customer support emails automatically transform into cases within Salesforce. This not only streamlines your support workflow, but also ensures that no customer inquiry slips through the cracks. By the end of this guide, you'll be better equipped to handle your support communications efficiently and with greater effectiveness. Let's start by diving into the setup process. First, focus your attention on the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Here, you'll notice a gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This action opens up the advanced setup options, which is your gateway to customizing your Salesforce environment to suit your needs perfectly. Now, to make things easier, use the Quick Find box, which is one of Salesforce's most efficient features. Simply type email to case in this box. Think of it as your shortcut to locating what you need without wading through countless menus. Once you've done that, select email to case from the search results. This will bring you to a new page filled with all the pertinent settings you need to adjust. Here, you need to click on the Edit button to unlock the editable settings for email to case. This is a crucial step, as it allows you to enable and configure this feature to meet your requirements. You'll notice a checkbox that says Enable Email to Case and On-Demand Service. Be sure to tick this box. By doing this, you're empowering Salesforce to handle incoming emails and convert them into cases efficiently. And remember, after making these changes, it's vital to click Save. Saving is an essential step because it ensures your changes are not lost and the new settings are applied. Next, let's navigate to the Routing Addresses section. This section is often displayed as a related list, and it's where you'll specify the destination for incoming emails. Click New to create a fresh routing address. Think of this new address as a vessel for all the emails you aim to convert into cases. While filling out the form, you'll need to provide a name for the routing address, specify the email address, assign a case owner, decide on the case priority, and set the case origin. These details help in classifying and managing the cases right from the start. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, make sure to click Save again to complete the address setup. After saving, Salesforce will send a verification email to the email address you've entered. This step is a security measure to ensure that you own the email. To verify, you'll need to follow the instructions in that verification email. And there you have it. You've taken the first steps in setting up email to case in Salesforce. Now, your emails can be seamlessly routed into support cases, giving your team the tools to deliver exceptional customer support. Open the inbox for the routing email and click on the verification link sent by Salesforce. This step is crucial as it connects the address to your Salesforce account, making it active and ready for use. The next step involves setting up your preferred email provider, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, or another service, to forward all support-related emails to the newly created Salesforce-generated service address. This address typically appears as a long code followed by @case.salesforce.com. Essentially, this step ensures that your support communications are funneled directly into Salesforce, where they can be managed more effectively. Finally, it's imperative to test the setup. Send a test email to the routing address to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If set up properly, it will create a case in Salesforce, confirming that your configuration is successful and operational. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to setting up email to case in Salesforce, allowing you to manage your customer support communications more effectively and efficiently. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to set up email to case in Salesforce and turn emails into support cases. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.